Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a video on how I do my eyebrows. So if you want to learn how I do my eyebrows, then just keep watching. The first thing I do is I brush out my eyebrows. So what I use to do my eyebrows is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. I'm going to go in with a angled brush from Melina. So the first step is to underline your eyebrows. And then once you get more towards the front, I'm going to take less pressure so that it's going to be easier to fade. And I'm just going to bring it out a tad. Like that. And then next I'm going to line the top of it. So after you line it and you like the shape, then you just go ahead and fill it in. So try not to put too much in the front part of the brow. Once you start to fill in all of it and you like how dark it is, then the front, you're just gonna kind of make some strokes, but really, really light ones right in the front, because you don't want it to look boxy, you don't want it to look too dark in the front. And I'm just going to brush it out. So once you're done filling it in, then I'm gonna conceal, and concealer just makes it look really sharp and kind of fixes whatever messes you made, and so that it just makes it look more clean. So I use the Master Conceal Maybelline concealer in the shade Light with a flat concealer brush. I'm going to go right under my eyebrows and clean it all up. To help make the ombre, you're going to bring it out pretty far. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend this all out. You're going to conceal the top as well. And then blend it out. To finish off the brows, I'm highlighting with the Dose of Colors Desi Katie collection in the shade Fuego, and putting that right under the brow on the brow bone. Give it another little brush through. And that is how I do my eyebrows. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope this helps you guys do your own eyebrows. And I will see you guys in the next video.